a question, feel free to drop your question. But if no question, I could share something, one or two, of some of the most important insights I want to give today. So as your questions flop in, as you are planning to write your questions, allow me share my screen. Am I loud and clear? Am I loud and clear? Let me know. Let me know if I'm loud and clear. Okay. Yeah, I want to take shortest time possible because one, I have electricity issues, so I don't want to keep on waiting for people to come in. Please, may you throw some light on this meme called hamster? It seems to not to have momentum. I don't know about it. I usually say, which light do you want me to throw? I don't have any connection with any cryptocurrency. So it's hamster may not be a good cryptocurrency simply because it lost its community during the airdrop. So when you are trading coins, make sure you are not trading pumping coins. When a coin pump, don't get excited. Make sure you know how to get in trades at the right moment. If you don't know, use signals because we prevent you from most of the shit by giving you signals. So if you are not sure about what you are doing, use signals. Okay? If you don't know what you are doing, use signals. I don't have any connection with any cryptocurrency. Whether they will do well or not, my role is to take profit. I told you if you want to take significant profit, use 4 hours. If you don't know how to analyze trades, then use signals. That's the best strategy I could say about that. But connection of why a certain cryptocurrency is not doing well and another one is doing well, I really do not want to connect so much to that. But I usually say that the crypto market space has what we call a narrative. Okay, narratives are what run cryptocurrencies in narratives are what run cryptocurrencies when it comes to the bull run. Okay, narratives are what run cryptocurrencies when it comes to the bull run. So narratives are key. But and so you must be able to follow narratives. And narratives that are leading the market now are meme coins. But also meme coins on which blockchain? Meme coins on the Ton blockchain are not doing well lately. But meme coins on the Solana and the Ethereum chain are doing well lately. When you ask a list of meme coins on Ethereum, I'll basically give two. Pepe and Neiro. Those are good meme coins on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay. Then when you ask for meme coins on the Solana blockchain, then I'll talk about Bonk. I'll talk about Wafi Hot Dog. There are others, and I'll talk about Peanut. Peanut is the new meme coin. It is taking the space by thunder. Okay. When you ask about meme coins on the Bitcoin blockchain are not doing well lately. And when you ask me some of them, we have 1,000 sats. We have ORDIOD, but they're not doing well. So meme coins on the Solana blockchain and meme coins on the Ethereum blockchain are doing well lately. So that's where the narrative is. So when you are checking to trade, where are you putting your focus? That is key. Someone says, is your WhatsApp group full? I really need to join. Use your upline. to join the different groups that we have. Use your upline to join the different groups that have. How to choose a crypto coin to trade. What is the basics so that one can be in position to select a coin to trade? This question, let me see if my other phone is on. Since people today, there are few, let me join with my other device too here and I'll show you. There are a few basics. There are a few basics. So let me share my screen. So if I want to trade me personally, I'll get here at Royal Q. I usually want to focus on coins that are doing well currently, especially where we are in the bull run. I don't want to die on coins that are not doing well. I also focus on coins that are not too heavy. Okay. So I will pick Prosper and I will look at the opportunity that is available. So here in your Royal Q, I would advise you first, look at a coin in a bigger time frame. Okay. Start at looking at a coin at a bigger time frame. Now, it is important to know that green candles represent buyers, red candles represent sellers. CEO Online. What do you see? Do you see buyers in charge? Do you see sellers in charge? Give me an answer in the chat. CEO Online. Do you see buyers in charge? Do you see sellers in charge? I told you green represent buyers, red represent sellers. CEO, sellers in charge. Meaning that once you buy this coin, first look at the coin in a bigger time frame and see who is in charge. Which means that once you buy this coin here now, you have high chances of going down in the market. CEO Online, give me a yes if that is clear. CEO Online, give me a yes if that is clear. Now, 2, apply indicators. Okay, apply indicators to give you market direction. Indicator number 1 is called BLL, Bollinger Band. Now, the Bollinger Band is clear. It has 3 lines, the upper line, the middle line, and the lower line. When the coin is at the upper line, it means it has been overbought. When the coin is at the lower line, it means it has been oversold. CEO Online, is this coin overbought or this coin is oversold? CEO Online, is this coin overbought or this coin is oversold? CEO Online, is this coin overbought or this coin is oversold? Is this coin overbought or it is oversold? I've told you the upper line means that the upper line means that the coin has been overbought. The lower line means that the coin has been oversold. Now, let me tell you, friends, this coin is not oversold. This coin is overbought. Because when I explain, I want you to understand. You cannot say it is oversold, so it is overbought, yet it is still in the perimeters of the upper line. If I'm making sense to what I'm saying, give me one in the chat. So first look at that. Is the coin overbought before I bring in my money? Or this coin is oversold before I bring in my money? And put your focus there. Then after you have seen it in a bigger time frame, then check in a lower time frame. Now, look here, friends. This is clear to you that although in the lower time frame, the coin is in the oversold area, it still has more chances to continue going down. Give me a yes in the chat if now it is clear. Check in the big in the higher time frame, compare it in the lower time frame before you make your entry. You do not want to enter a coin that is still continuing going down. You want to enter a coin that is at its area of reversal. So that one is ignored. Then I'll come on Vete. I'll look at it in a bigger time frame. Is this coin overbought or it is oversold? Now I want to give you all the differences. Is this coin overbought or it is oversold? Beautiful. The coin is overbought. Then I'll look at it in the lower time frame. Now, in the lower time frame, the coin is consistently stopping on the middle line. It means that the middle line, which is usually a 20 moving average, the middle line, which you see that the coin is consistently stopping at the middle line. Give me a yes if you can see that. Meaning that although this coin is in the oversold area, the other side, it has more chances to go up in a lower time frame. Give me a one if that is clear. The coin is consistently stopping at the middle line, meaning that the middle line is acting as a support and the upper line is acting as the resistance. Although this coin is in the overbought in the 4-hour time frame, it gives an opportunity in the 15 time frame, and I can take a 1.5. Give me a yes if I'm clear. Is this hard or it is easy? Is this hard or it is easy? Do you see that if you had entered, you are in profit? Now let's pick another coin. That's why I gave it as a signal. Do you see now? I know most people want the most negative coin. But when it comes to the bull run, you want to focus where most people are focusing. Give me a 2. You want to focus where most people are focusing. Give me a 2. You do not want to focus where most people are selling. Hello? You do not want to focus where most people are selling. You want to focus where most people are buying. Give me a 3 if I'm making sense. You want to focus where most people are buying. You do not want to focus where most people are selling. So before you focus on the most negative coin, look here. Let's put this coin in the 4-hour time frame. This coin, is it in the overbought? Is it in the oversold? Some answers in the chat. Is this coin in the overbought? Is it in the oversold? Some answers in the chat. It is in the oversold in the 4-hour time frame. Beautiful. But let's go to the 15 minutes. Do you see that the middle line is acting as a support? Do you see that the middle line is acting as a support? Do you see that the middle line is acting as the coin is stopping there, then going up? This is crystal clear that you can take a 1.2, a 1.3 here. A 1.2, a 1.3. And you will be getting out of such trades faster. Let me pick another coin. Don't trade XRP. Why? It has very low volume. It takes long. You know, I said don't trade political coins, coins that have politics around them. Give me a 1. Don't trade coins that have issues around them. We are competing with the Security and Exchange Commission. We are having we are having issues with the so and so. The government of US do not trade coins that have political issues. Do not trade coins that have issues with the organizations. Run away. Am I making sense? Am I making sense? Am I making sense? Don't trade coins unless you can trade this coin if there is news around it. Like yesterday, I gave it a signal because I saw news around it. Now someone is asking, how do I know them? I have told you XRP. Now what else do you want to know? Someone is asking how it is XRP, it is here, it has regulatory issues. As simple as that. Don't bring headache. There is someone who is posting. Am I clear? You know, some of you get a lot of headache. It is XRP, it is here. Unless it has news around it, but if not, run away. Don't get headache with trading. Let's go to CVLC. Now look here. Is this coin overbought or it is oversold? Some answers in the chat. Is this coin overbought or it is oversold? Some answers in the chat. Is this coin oversold or it is overbought? Some answers in the chat. Now let's go in the lower time frame, 15 minutes. Do you see that the middle line is acting as a resistance? The market is touching it and then it continues going down. The market touches it, then it goes down a little bit. Do not trade this one. Are you getting a difference between? Are you getting a difference between their first examples and the second examples? My brother, see you online, because this question was you. Are you getting the difference? There's someone posting, just a minute. Just a minute. You must be able to get the difference. Now here it is acting as a resistance. Versa V, this is Versa V. What is happening here? See you online. See you online. Are you getting the difference now? So do you see how I can still trade a pumping coin repeatedly? I get in, I wait for an opportunity, I get in again. I get in, I wait for an opportunity, I get in again. Now, to be able to trade using this approach, you need to trade with a confluence. Now, what is a confluence? What is a confluence? A confluence is to add on other indicators apart from the one that you are seeing. One of the best you can add is RSI. It will always help you because the RSI will move with the direction of the market. If coins are going down, it will show you. If coins are going up, it will show you. You can also add the MACD. And the MACD, like I have taught it before, it has something we call a golden cross. When one line crosses another, usually people write to me getting confused with the colors. Just to go in the history. When an orange line crossed the purple line, what happened specifically here? When the orange line crossed the purple, because people want me differentiate the colors for me, what happened? I need people to use their minds very well. What happened? Number two, when it crossed here, what happened? At first it crossed here, the market went up. When it crossed again here, what happened? When it crossed again here, what happened? Now, this shows you that when it crosses like this, the market goes up. And when it crosses like this, the market goes down. If you have understood, give me a yes in the chat. Now, I want to ask, what is about to happen here? 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 It's not an uptrend. What is about to happen here? The crossover is about to happen, which gives you confidence that what you saw here corresponds to what the market is about to do. Am I making sense? Now, CEO Online, is it hard to find a coin to buy? Now, let me go to people who have coins that are down. Now, there, I was speaking about coins that are going up. Now, look here, CEO. Always do what we call top-to-down approach. Do not analyze markets from a lower time frame going to a higher time frame. Start with a higher time frame going to a lower time frame. Give me a one if that is clear. Do not analyze markets from a lower time frame going to a higher time frame. Analyze markets from a higher time frame going to a lower time frame. So I might start with 1 day. CEO Online, is this coin on an uptrend? Because this question was for you. CEO Online, is this coin on an uptrend? CEO Online, is this coin on an uptrend? Beautiful, in 1 day. Let's go in the 4 hours. Is this coin still on an uptrend? Is this coin still on an uptrend? Good. In the 4 hours, is it still on an uptrend? In 1 hour. Is it still on an uptrend? In 5 minutes, in 15 minutes. Now you can lower if you still want to trade and go in a lower time frame. Now look here, CEO Online. Do you see that this coin has continuously been coming down to this middle line and going up? It comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up. Can you see that? It means that I can still keep lowering maybe in 3 minutes if I still want to trade this specific coin. Look here. Give me a one if you see that this coin has been moving down to the middle line, going up, moving down to the middle line, going up, moving down to the middle line, going up. So I can wait for this coin to retrace, come down to the middle line, then I will enter this coin. These things are easy. Let me go to TNS. Now look here. I want you to see the difference. See online. Do you see that this coin has been coming, touches the middle line, then it goes down? It touches the middle line, then it goes down. It touches the middle line, then it goes down. It means that this coin has more chances of continuing going down. People sweat with the trading, but me, I've never seen, we say the top-down approach. Do not do down-top approach. Now look here, this is 1 day. The coin is not clear with direction. You go to 4 hours. The coin shows that it will do well in 4 hours. You go in 1 hour. It has gone into the overbought area. Now here you just run away. Why? Because the coin might continue to die with you. Now let me go to the most negative ones. Let me start with Nairo. Now look here. The upper line means the coin has been overbought. The lower line means that the coin has been oversold. Now, as you want to trade top to down approach, look here. Focus on the MACD, see online. What is about to happen? Focus on the MACD. Yes, I told you it will sell. Focus on the MACD, see online. Focus on the cream has sold. Beautiful. Congratulations. Focus on the MACD, see online. Do you see that this coin is forming a crossover to the downside? Good. Now look at it, but then come and look at it in the 4 hours. Do you see that it is at the lower line? Meaning the coin has been oversold. Do you see that the MACD is about to cross? Then I can comfortably take a 3% here. Are we adding now? Are we adding? Are you adding? Are you connecting? Now, I don't know why people, if you are in the 4-hour time frame, you can take a 2 to 3%. If you are in a 15 minutes, 1.2, 1.3, 1.2, 1.3, maximum 1.5. And you can, I don't know why people sleep without money. If I've given you answers on how to pick coins, give me a 5 in the chat. I'm done with that question. If I've given you answers on how to pick coins, I'm done with that question. So I hope all of you who started with me this call, you can pick coins. If you have not understood, go to, and I see you speak Uganda, go to the Crypto Ambassador Telegram channel. There is a video that I did, and I was explaining how you pick coins. Ask the people there. Ask the people there to give you the video. If you have not understood and you have just joined, I'm not the problem. What you are supposed to do, the meeting has been recorded. Go there and watch again. I will not keep on one question, yet me, I have done my part. I'm not the problem of you coming late. So those of you who have not understood, I'm sorry. Please make sure you check out the training because me, I'm done. Questions are many. I will not keep on one question, yet I have given several examples. Let me go to this one. Coach, kindly elaborate about the Golden Cross. My friend Safise, have I answered you in my previous explanation? Safise, have I answered you? Safise, have I answered you? Beautiful, beautiful. So if you cannot pick coins by yourself, I also have a question. If you cannot pick coins by yourself, I also have a question. Do we provide signals? If you cannot pick coins by yourself and things are not adding up, do we provide signals? So I may not answer all of you, but if we provide signals and you haven't learned, even when I explain you don't understand, then it means don't worry. We understand at different levels. Yes, do not worry. We understand at different levels. Keep attending training until you understand. Just a minute. Nairo can give you some good money. Now I'm dropping you signals. The other side. So okay, let's go to another question. Let's go to another question. Let's go to another question. Please don't repeat what I have answered. Another question. Okay. My battery is about to disappoint me. I need to find ways. Someone says, Coach, if a coin is showing it's going to go up, is it okay to put this coin in a cycle? Okay, let me answer this question this way. Let me answer this question this way. Sorry, friends. Okay, so let's continue. If the coin is on an uptrend, is it okay to put it in a cycle? I'll take Prosper and I put it in the 4-hour time frame. Make sure you're following. Is my screen clear? I'll take Prosper. Why is network down? This phone is at 4%. 1%. This is sorry, guys. This is the little problem. Okay, I'll take Prosper. And I'll take Prosper and I'll tap on the moving averages. Now, friends, it is okay to put a coin on cycle, but if you cannot monitor this coin, you might land yourself in trouble. It is okay, but you can land yourself in trouble. Because the only way you can put a coin on cycle is to use what we call MA moving averages, okay? You need to put this coin on MA moving averages. For example, in the 4-hour time frame, these lines are 3. I don't know if my screen is visible. These lines are 3. We have the 7 moving average, the 25 moving average, and the 99 moving average. There are 3. Now, when the purple 99 moving average is below, followed by the 25, followed by the 7, then this coin is on an uptrend. But when you see it in a bigger time frame, always monitor in a lower time frame, let me say 15 minutes. And once things go vice versa, and any big moving average crosses below, then you should plan getting out of that coin. But basically, you must be able to monitor. The only coins that you can put on cycle and rest could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, those coins with big market cap. But these small ones, anything happens, the market changes immediately. Give me a yes in the chat if I'm clear. Give me a yes if I'm clear. You must be able to monitor. If you can't monitor, then do not put your coin in cycle, because you need to check like in 3 minutes and see. So you see now from here, things had changed. The big moving average had come up. Put it in a lower time frame. Once you see this, then press back to one shot. All right? Okay. I hope that I've answered. This one says, funny on how I find it easier to choose a coin on Royal Q than in TradingView. Okay, Coach, what happens when a coin delivers yet other margin calls are not yet sold? It can't happen. A coin cannot deliver when other margin calls are not sold. What you are getting are what we call sub sales. The coin is selling those lower margin calls it had bought. Okay, the coin is selling those lower margin calls it had bought. This one says, me, I traded a coin on resistance 3. Now it's still in floating loss. Make sure if you're using pivot points to pick coins, use a bigger time frame. If you use lower time frames, understand that anything can change. So make sure you are checking. If you're using that strategy, please use it in a bigger time frames, 4 hours, 1 hour. In lower time frames, you might land yourself into fire, because usually lower time frames are very fast and very noisy. That's what I would say. Okay, more questions? I hope I've answered those. More questions? More questions? I hope those I have answered. More questions? If it's not clear still, and you have asked your question and it's not clear, please, you could say you have not answered me. Okay, if your question I have answered and you feel it is not clear, what is time frame? Okay, this one asks what is time frame. Time frame is this one. You open the coin. This is time frame. This is 3 minutes. It means each candle here takes 3 minutes to be complete. This is 1 week. This is 1 day. This is 4 hours. This is 1 hour. This is 15 minutes. Gerard, have I answered you? So if you want to check in a bigger time frame, if your approach is pivot points that you want to use for your technical analysis. But Bollinger Bands are very sweet in Royal Q. Okay, using Bollinger Bands is one of the best strategies in picking up a coin. Okay, one day will take long to deliver. Okay, one day will take long to deliver. But when you press a coin in the 4-hour time frame, you will always be able to get good results. I hope those who took, thank you, coach, for Nairo, 13%. Yes, I said this coin is good. You can take this coin and trade now. Just remain patient. It will be able to give you profit. Okay, but I hope also signals are coming. Many of our leaders are really doing us a very good work. So my role is just to share the signals. If you cannot pick, then use signals to be able to trade. Then someone is saying here, why do you take long to answer my messages? When you send me a message on WhatsApp, how many of you will agree with me that I run so many trainings in a day? How many of you will agree with me that I run so many trainings in a day? How many of you will agree with me that I run so many trainings in a day? How many of you will agree with me that I run so many trainings in a day? Now, when you send me a message, sometimes you send me when I'm tired. Like, since morning, I have been training. I can't even speak well now. I have to find signals for you. I have to make sure that you are making money. Okay, so like when I finish this training, I don't want to see the phone. I sometimes switch it off and I want to take a nap. So when you send your message, it does not give you guarantee that I'll sit and answer immediately. I only answer immediately the people that I have personally brought in business or V3s and above. Okay? V3s and above. I answer V3s and above. Those ones, when they send me messages, I apply them very fast. Okay? But if you am not the one who brought you in the business and you are not V3 and above, you may find that I take long to answer. So don't get annoyed. Even you can spend 3 months when I've not answered you. Not because sometimes messages are many. But I get tired. But I have also a question. Do I do my best to provide all the information you need to be successful in the business? You could give me some answers. Do I give information that anybody can use free? I don't keep anything for myself. I don't keep anything for myself. I share everything I know. Sometimes I do long classes. Sometimes I do long classes. I go, I study information, I come, I teach information. But even though I study, I make sure that whatever I know, I deliver. So please, I have also started a program for people who speak Luganda. I'm trying to look into my time to find a special program for people who speak English, if God allows. But please, if you need me one-on-one and I'm not the one who brought you in the business, please don't get annoyed. I will do my best. Some people are very tough and annoyed. But what you do, if you see I'm not responding, give me a call. Okay? If you see that I'm not responding, give me a call. Call me on WhatsApp. It will trigger my attention. Call me on WhatsApp. Okay? When you call me and maybe I'm not responding, just know maybe I'm dozing. I'm taking a nap. But I have always tried my level best to make sure that before I sleep, I answer all messages every day. Before I sleep, I make sure I answer all messages that I can. Those I don't answer, then I'll go tired. But I try. So that one, I please keep that question for yourself. I hope I've tried to answer. Someone is saying, what is the difference between trading a coin on RSI and trading a coin on MACD? First and foremost, I want you to understand the two indicators. I may not go into details about them. I was First and foremost, it is important for you to understand the two indicators, the RSI and the MACD. I would like to recommend you to watch the videos that are on our YouTube channel explaining about MACD and RSI. But I would say the following. RSI is a real-time indicator. It gives you what is happening now in the market. MACD is a lagging indicator. It does not give you what is happening now in the market. So if you would ask me that which one should I use, I would say that, look here, my brother. You see, when you are going to use the MACD, you use it in anticipation. Now, how many of you can see that the MACD is about to cross over here? If you can see that, give me a yes in the chat. You use it in anticipation that now this MACD is about to cross over. Since I'm using the Bollinger Band in my chart and it is at the lower line, so the MACD is about to cross over. But when you put in the RSI is at 34, that of 6, 40, 45. So if you understand the two, you see that the RSI is not in the overbought area, also not in the oversold area, which gives you confidence to say that now this coin is good for trading. That would be my understanding. But if you don't understand what the MACD is and what the RSI is, let me drop you two videos that I have already made onto our YouTube channel explaining those two indicators. So here on videos, then I'm just going to scroll down here. I'm gonna just scroll down here. How to trade using what is RSI. So please, I request you to come here yourself at your free time and understand this indicator called RSI. The video is there for you. Let me also bring you how to use RSI. Yes, to trade. The video is here for you. If you cannot pick it by yourself, then MACD. Let me get here video for MACD because I know it's also here. MACD, how to use MACD in RoyalQ. Yes, the video is here for you. I hope I have helped. Yes, the MACD and the RSI videos are there for you. Please pick them, and I hope I have answered that question by that. Is there anybody? Is there anybody whose question I have not yet answered? This one, yes, 4 time frame is good. This one I've answered. Okay. Now, I said I want to share a special secret. I want to share something new today. If my let me come here on Chrome. Usually I want to always on Friday share something new. So what I want to share today is called crypto. I want to share what we call crypto Snapchat. The website is called Crypto Snapchat. This is the website. Okay. Okay. The website is called Crypto Snapchat. The name is here in the chart. It's a very good website. I just want to give you some insights. Okay, this is the website. It has news around it, news that is happening in the market. Okay. But that is not why I'm here. Tap on these 3 lines and come here on research tools. Come here on research tools. This website is free. It is not paid for. Okay, come here on research tools. Okay, then come down here on trending coins. Come down here on trending coins. Are we still following? Are we still following? This is my last sharing. This is my last sharing. Are we still following? Come here on trending coins. And these are the top 15 coins that are trending in the market. Okay, the top 15: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Solana, BNB, Dogecoin, XRP. These are the top 10. They are trending. And here is their market cap. You can select the top 15, but I would say you pick the top 100. Okay, the top 100 coins. You know, I told you that your success will always depend on your knowledge. These are the top 100 trending coins that people are speaking about, where people are putting their focus. I've selected the top 100. These are the top 100. Okay, these are the top 100 that are trending. Now, another narrative, come on research tools here on Snapchat. And these ones, these ones. Let me check meme coin magic. But this one is not so much an amazing data collection site on that. But let's go back here. And these are calculators, where there is more business. This rest will come in later. But where there is, okay, let's try the Fibonacci calculator. But it's insights. Okay, number 1, you'll be able to select the name of the coin, for example, Doge. And you want to see in the coming 30 days, if this coin remains on an uptrend, how much will this coin deliver? Okay. At the current price where it is, and the periodic high it has, what this calculator will do for you, it will give you fib levels: 23.6, 38.2, 50, 61.8, I'll do this so much in the 7:30 class, especially here. And it will also give you fib extensions. And it will also give you the golden ratio. And it will give you the gains and the targets. But I know so many people may not be understanding fib levels. But I think on my next class, I will dive deep into that. But when you come here on research tools still, where I want you to put your time, maybe crypto market feature, but here also not so much. My most important insight when it comes to research tools, it is what we call trending coins. Coins where people are putting their focus. You want to trade, you can come and look at these trending coins. But also, there is one simpler, the crypto bubbles. Okay, they will always show you the top 100 coins that are doing well, which I have talked about time over time. So as you are looking for a coin to trade, you can also check out on crypto bubbles, maybe in 15 minutes, maybe in 1 hour, and find out which coin is now taking market by storm. For example, on this many, we have HBAR in Royal Q, but also we have Peanut. And Peanut is here. It is showing you it is now going to an uptrend. It has not yet reached its high price, but it's now coming up. So what do? You just come to your Royal Q here. You have seen Peanut is good. Come to your Royal Q here. Then you search for Peanut. If you're not seeing Peanut, then it means you have not added new coins. Tap on the plus sign, spot, tick below, add new coins. Then you look for Peanut. Open the coin. See, come in a lower time frame because it's a new coin. It does not have too much data. Now here there is no business in 15 minutes. Maybe in the lower time frame, not yet very clear. So you wait for the retracement and maybe plan to make an entry later. So that's how you could be able, or maybe like I've started from scratch, you can use this exact tool here to find coins to trade. Okay, and we have discussed how you can find coins to trade using this approach. And those of you who entered the Vite when we were here, I hope you are out of the market. I hope that is enough for today. The website is called the Crypto Snapshot. Crypto Snapshot. I'll go into calculators maybe on Monday and share some good insights. Leader, about tomorrow's meeting, if you are in Kampala, the venue was changed from to Emerald Hotel. Emerald Hotel is located in Kampala. Let me just get in. I've seen the picture on Telegram. I've seen the picture on Telegram. I've seen a picture on Telegram. This is it. This is the venue. A mega business talk by Mr. Kasivante and Leader Mugerwa Alozias. The venue was supposed to be Jerisa, but it's not going to be Jerisa Hotel. It's going to be Emerald Hotel. The venue was changed because the owners of the place changed. So it's not going to be Jerisa Hotel. It's going to be Emerald. Emerald is almost in the same area, just after Jerisa, after, I'm forgetting, I'm not so much a Kampala guy, but just after Jerisa on the same road. Yes, on the same road, you go down a little bit. I'm forgetting the exact place, but I'm going to ask leaders to give us the exact photo for now. Okay? The exact photo. The training is free. Yes, the training is free. And you will be able to meet leader Kasivante Abe. Yes, opposite Novik Hospital. Yes, thank you so much. Opposite Novik Hospital, Emerald Hotel. From 9 a.m., from 10 a.m. to 10 a.m. members, 2 p.m. guests. 2 p.m. guests. It will be led by our leader Kasimante Abe and our leader Mugerwa Aloysius. So if you have people, it's not on William Street. No, it's not on William Street. It's on Bombo Road, just after Bat Valley. Just after Bat Valley. You is talking about William Street. No, you also might be a village person like me. Really not on William Street. Maybe you are in Kampala, but you are not sure even where you are. That is not William Street, my brother. It is Bombo Road. Bombo Road, just after Bat Valley. Just after Bat Valley. Hey, just after Bat Valley. Yes. Mm. Just after Bat Valley. So those who can be in Kampala, please go and attend. Bombo Road. Teacher's house near now for you. Near Bible house. You are very right, my brother. You are very right. Bombo Road, teacher's house near Bible house. Just down there. Yes, when you ask Emerald Hotel, it will be clear to you. Thank you so much for today. I hope I have been able to share this. The place seems confusing, but now I got it. Mm. But Robert is a man of all seasons. Robert is. Yes, I'm going to find the poster, and in the next few minutes, I'll drop it. Thank you so much for your time. It has not been easy to be here. I didn't know that my phones will finish. They are all on 1%, 1%, but nothing to do to make sure that we always don't give any excuses. God bless you for all your questions for today, and I wish you all the best. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. All right, guys, have a nice